Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be using trigonometry to find missing angles in a right triangle. Let's look at the following steps to use trigonometry with angles. So step 1, write SOHCAHTOA. Step 2, star or mark your angle you are trying to find. Step 3, label the sides, opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. Step 4, set up the trig ratio. Step 5, you're going to press second whatever trig ratio you're using, whether it be sine, cosine, or tangent. And don't forget, you need to be in degree mode. Let's look at a few examples. Using the right triangle below completes the following table. Give angle measure to the nearest tenth. So again, we want to use sine, cosine, and tangent to find measure of angle A. So I'm going to mark where angle A is. And sine, remember using SOHCAHTOA. So sine is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent is opposite over adjacent. So let's find angle A. So we're going to use sine of A, which is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. So let's label our triangle. 45 is going to be across from my 90-degree angle, so that's going to be the hypotenuse. 27 is across from our central angle at A, so that's opposite. And 36 is going to be my adjacent. It's touching the central angle A. So sine of A is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite is 27 over the hypotenuse, which is 45. Now the only thing different about finding an angle is we have to press second sine. So it's going to look like this when we put it into our calculator. So let's go there now. So we're going to do second sine, and it was 27 over 45. 27 divided by 45. And we should get 36.869, but we want it to the nearest tenth, so 36.9. Next, let's find cosine of A. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so adjacent will be 36 over the hypotenuse, which is 45. So again, because we're trying to find the angle, we're going to do second cos 36 divided by 45. Let's go to our calculator. So we're going to do second cos 36 divided by 45. And we get the same measure, which makes sense because angle A would be 36.9. Let's do it again using tangent. So tan of A is opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 27 over adjacent, which is 36. Again, we have to press second tan 27 divided by 36. Second tan 27 divided by 36. And again, we get the same measurement. A is equal to 36.9. Next, we want to find angle C. So what we have to do is erase all of our labeling because our central angle now is going to be at C. So mark at C and label. So 45 is still going to be my hypotenuse. My opposite is going to be the 36. And my adjacent is the 27 because it's touching angle C. So we want to find sine of C, which is opposite over hypotenuse. So that's 36 divided by 45. Again, we have to use second sine of 36 divided by 45. So let's put that in our calculator. And we get 53.1. Let's do the same for cosine of C. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so that's 27 over 45. Again, we're going to do second cos of 27 divided by 45. And again, we get 53.1. And lastly, we are going to find tangent of C. Remember, tan is opposite over adjacent, so opposite is 36 over adjacent, which is 27. Don't forget to put second tan of 36 divided by 27. And again, we get 53.1. So again, when you're trying to find missing angles of a right triangle, make sure you put the second in your calculator before you put your trig ratio.